Hungry Ghost Press is an artist-owned and operated business. We aim to create pieces in-house while learning to work with new methods of sustainable and eco-friendly materials and processes. We try to produce projects in hopes of exploring art and its relation to clothing and tangible products in the commercial world. Hungry Ghost Press started off as a small DIY zine press in early 2010 and has since grown into a lifestyle, apparel, and design brand. We hope to bring a new chapter of Hungry Ghost Press alive by growing into the historic 239 Oak Street Mill building that will house our retail, expand our manufacturing, and allow us to create a gallery with a monthly pop-up marketplace open to our friends, family, and community.